First fish of the day, a baby. Go figure. Hook flip. Oh, it's a little guy. Better than the last one. Upgrade. Aye. Boy, I tell you what, that top lip is something else with these new hooks. Woo. Nice. 14 and a half maybe? You can do better. Thanks, fish. Mega bass hooks. Very sticky. But I literally just had a little 2-pounder throw it. So I don't know how sticky they need to be. None of the hooks are bent. They threw it right next to that column. Little devil. Nice. Can a boat flip them? Possibly. Schmedium. You see a group of them. I don't know if GoPro can see that. There's a group of them right there. That's where he came off of. That's right over there. Oh, it pulled off! God almighty! I had that fish. Man, I'm telling you, that's 2 fish I've lost on this today. They pull off. God, I don't know. Give them more drag. I was waiting on them to pull drag. That's not that heavy, man. That's not heavy drag at all. Look at that. I mean, relatively speaking, right? That's the second fish that's pulled off. Look at that. Bit the hook straight out. Yeah, gone, man. Put on a different jerkbait than 15 minutes ago. 15 minutes ago, watched a bass just tear off of a mega bass vision. Just bent the hooks out. So I switched to something with thicker hooks, but also a +1. And one just knocked the hell out of it, but did not hook up, which I don't understand. And they're hitting it on a long pause. So it's not just by the pilots. There's isolated grass patches out here. Small, 3 feet big, maybe 6 feet high. And they're coming out of those, just popping at the jerkbait. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Not a very good hook job. I got him in. Just a real slow retrieve. Long pauses. Fish before this knocked slack in it. That's how I knew I had a fish. The jerkbait went totally slack. again. Let's see if I can hold on to this one. Full flip. Not bad. Nice little fishy. I just lost another one. This one is on the McRip. He just flop, flop, flop through the damn jerkbait. Damn it, man. Jerkbait is on fire, but I've lost 3 fish on it. That might have been my best fish today. I should check that knot. All right, I got you. Come on, don't pull up. A little one. Another little one. Yeah. I can't land the big ones on this. I might be forcing them too much. Try not to. There's another one. There's another one. Fire, I'm telling you, fire. They're all dink stuff. Shit. Got my hand. I need to sharpen these hooks. They're thick, but they just don't, they're not very sharp. I don't even know how many this is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, I think. Hi, buddy. Oh, there's one I just started to pick up. Oh, hello. Beautiful. You had a little. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Well, I mean, do I leave or stay? Might as well stay, huh? Yeah, buddy. Yeah. All right. sardine. Chunky little guy.